Hey everyone, I'm going to show you today how to enable the plagiarism and originality checker on Google Classroom so that you can quickly check and make sure your students are turning in their own work and not something that they found online. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and create whatever assignment it is that you have. Then before you post that assignment, you're going to scroll down and on the right-hand side, you're going to click check plagiarism originality and then assign the assignment. Then when students turn in their work, I'm going to show you a quick example here. You're going to click on their assignment. Once it loads over on the right-hand side again, you're going to click the blue check plagiarism originality, and it will run it through a quick check. It does take just a second. Okay, so it found two flagged passages on the student's work. If you click on those, it takes you right to those flagged passages. They are highlighted. You can click on them again, and it will show you the student's passage and the top web match so that you can then see where they cut and pasted from. You can check for the originality to see if they need to cite and work with them that way. So I hope that this is something that you guys can use to help make grading and catching plagiarism easier. Let me know if you have any questions.